Hi everyone and welcome back. I have already cast on. I have selected tension 6, so let's get started. I have a needle formation of 3 with a gap of 2, 1, a gap of 2 and 3, and then a gap of 2, 1, a gap of 2 and then 3. So that's my needle formation. I'm going to knit 2 rows. So once you've knitted your 2 rows, you're going to start pushing out our needles that are going to be on hold, which is the middle of the 3 and then the 2 single needles. The carriage is set to hold. I'm just going to apply weights. Okay, so now we're just going to continue with the rest of our 5 rows. And now we set the carriage to knit and knit all needles. So now we will push our needles out again in the same order. We change our yarn to a contrast colour. We place our carriage back into hold and we knit another 5 rows. You place the carriage back into knit and knit 1 row. So now we're going to do an E-wrap stripe with a linen blue yarn. This is a Rowan yarn. So you push all your needles fully out into the E position. I've created a double strand of this linen yarn. So once you've done this, you hold your yarn down that you've just done your E-wrap with. You change your yarn to the lighter pink colour. And we're going to knit 2 rows, all needles, and then we push the needles for holding out again. So now we are going to start from the beginning. We push our needles that are going to be holding out again into E position. We set our carriage to hold and we knit our 5 rows. Now set your carriage to knit and knit 1 row. We now change to the contrast colour. Begin pushing your needles out and set your carriage to hold and knit 5 rows. So once you've completed that, we're going to push our needles out fully again to do the E-wrap stripe with the blue linen yarn. We're just wrapping this round clockwise. Now in the light pink yarn, or whichever yarn you're using, we knit 2 rows, all needles. At this point, you start from the holding again, and you're basically finished. You just carry on until you get to your required length. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.